Hi, welcome to my channel GyanNotes. I am Spandan, and in this video we will be knowing about knowledge. So what is knowledge? Now knowledge can be defined as some kind of a familiarity or awareness or understanding of a particular concept. Now the we have learned that information is nothing but facts or data is fact, right? And these facts, when interpreted in a particular context, give us information. Now, when we familiarize ourselves with these particular informations, then we develop knowledge about that particular subject. So, some form of an understanding, it may be a theoretical understanding or some practical understanding regarding a particular issue, then that particular understanding which we gain, that is known as knowledge. Now, this knowledge may be implicit or explicit. For example, someone may have some kind of a skill associated with a particular task, and in this case the knowledge is implicit, whereas if someone is studying a subject and has sufficient familiarity with that subject, then this kind of a knowledge is an explicit knowledge, because that person can explicitly explain and walk someone else through that particular area of expertise. Now, the study of knowledge is known as epistemology, and usually gaining knowledge involves a few cognitive processes. For example, one must be able to perceive what knowledge is, so perception is definitely involved. Secondly, one must be able to communicate what he or she understands, right? So communication is another cognitive process which gets involved. And the third process is reasoning. If someone has some kind of a knowledge regarding a particular subject, then that person must be able to reason through different problems which he encounters with respect to that particular subject. So perception, communication, and reasoning, these three cognitive processes are definitely involved in processing knowledge. Now, whenever we speak about knowledge, then we are adding some form of an experience. So earlier we had discussed that data is a collection of fact, right? So when we have different facts and we put them through some kind of a context, then and interpret it, then we get information, right? And when we familiarize ourselves with these kind of informations, that is when we add experience to this information, it becomes knowledge. So that is how we classify what knowledge is. And as we have discussed, we can just generalize and say that knowledge is some kind of an extensive experience with a particular kind of a subject. So in the next video, we will be discussing what the difference between data, information, and knowledge is, and we will elaborate on that further. So if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video where we discuss on this topic further. So thank you. Till then, bye.